So in this video we are going to discuss the ATP produced in TCA cycle as well as in the aerobic oxidation of one molecule of glucose. So in the TCA cycle basically there are 3 NADH produced and 1 FADH is produced and 1 GTP is produced in the one TCA cycle. So these 3 NADH provide us about 7.5 ATPs as 1 NADH provide us 2.5 ATPs. So 2.5 into 3 is equal to 7.5. 1 FADH provide us 1.5 ATPs and 1 GTP is equal to 1 ATP. So in one TCA cycle, one acetyl molecule is oxidized and it gives us net 10 ATPs. So one acetyl CoA which enters into TCA cycle gives us 10 ATPs. And now we move toward the ATP gain of oxidation of one molecule of glucose. So we know that in glycolysis the gross production of ATPs is 4 and 4 ATPs are produced in glycolysis, and in addition to these 4 ATPs 2 NADH are produced, and these 2 NADH give us 5 ATPs as 1 NADH gave us 2.1 NADH give 2.5 ATPs. So 2 NADH of glycolysis give 5 ATPs, and next 2 NADH are produced in the PDH complex reaction, conversion of pyruvate to acetyl CoA by PDH complex gives 1 NADH, but we know that one molecule of glucose gives 2 pyruvate. So when it gives 2 pyruvate, 2 acetyl CoA are produced and 2 NADH are produced. So 2 NADH of PDH complex give us 5 ATPs. Next, 2 acetyl CoA are produced, 2 acetyl CoA which enter into TCA cycle. So TCA cycle runs 2 times for one molecule of glucose, and these 2 acetyl CoA molecules give us total 20 ATPs as 1 acetyl CoA gives us 10 ATPs. So what will be the gross ATP gain? The gross ATP gain of one molecule of glucose is one glucose molecule give gross ATPs 34 ATPs. This is the gross ATP gain. What is net ATP gain? Net ATP gain of one molecule of glucose is 32 ATPs, as we know that 2 ATPs are consumed. 2 ATPs are consumed in glycolysis. So net ATP produced from aerobic oxidation of one molecule of glucose is 32, while gross ATP production is 34. How? 4 ATPs of glycolysis, 2 NADH of glycolysis give 5 ATPs, 2 NADH of PDH complex give 5 ATPs, and 2 acetyl CoA are produced. Each acetyl CoA gives 10 ATPs and 2 acetyl CoA give 20 ATPs. So gross ATP production is 34 and net ATP production is 32. So it was all about the TCA cycle. Thank you.